Rika, the one question that comes to mind currently is why could the BCCI not really wait till the end of the Champions Trophy when technically Anil Kumble's contract would expire?
Akash, it's really baffling that they didn't wait till the end of the Champions Trophy, because that's the time when the contracts would have come up for renewal. But it seems that the board is a bit miffed with Anil Kumble, given that he's been involved in the contract negotiations of the Indian cricket team. He's also gone to the COA to speak about his own salary hike. He's asked for Sanjay Bangar to be promoted as the assistant coach and Zahir Khan as the bowling coach. And the kind of money that he's asked from them probably has not gone down well with the COA. And it's not that they want him off this job. It seems that it looks like that they want to send a message. It looks like they want to tell him that look, you have been hired for a specific purpose to coach the Indian cricket team, and that's what you need to do, and not negotiations.
Well, it's also interesting, Rekha, that how do they find a middle ground in all of this?
They would ideally like to look at a man who has done goods for the Indian cricket team and the kind of results that he's given for the team in the last 12 months. But at the same time, they would probably want to have someone else in that role and not Anil Kumble, not Virat Kohli directly negotiating with the COA. Of course, we do not, we do understand that there is no Players Association here. In Australia, you see, and in West Indies, you see, it was the Players Association who's been doing the negotiations for the players. But in India, that has been a non-starter. There have been several times they have made attempts to form Players Association, but BCCI has thwarted every attempt. So since in the absence of a Players Association, Anil Kumble had taken up upon him to do this negotiation, and it seems now it seems that the COA is not liking it.
Well, so clearly, as we have it right now, they've obviously put out this advertisement seeking applications. That window shuts in on the 31st. And Anil Kumble himself will have to take that route again. That he'll have to apply obviously his application will be a direct entry. But then he too will again have to, I'm assuming, appear for an interview in front of the Committee of Administrators and the Advisory Committee.
Yeah, there will be a member of the Committee of Administrators in the advisory committee, 3 members. We already know it's a 3-member panel consisting of Saurav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar and VVS Lakshman, and there will be someone from the COA right now overseeing the entire process. Officially, they say that they want to keep the process transparent. They want to have, because his contract is getting done in June, and hence they have to go through a process. So they are talking about the process, but underlying that story is the story of them not being very happy with Anil Kumble at this point in time.